In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract Google Ads history of several shoe stores to Excel. Don't forget to click the like button to support the channel, and if you're into web automation and data extraction, make sure to click the subscribe button to receive bot tutorials from us in the future. Let's go. To export Google Ads history of the shoe stores to Excel, we'll use the domain Google Ads History Extractor. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Enter the bot name, domain Google Ads, History Extractor, into the search bar. Click on the bot name. The domain Google Ads History Extractor page will open. Click on the green button. Name your job, for example, shoe store ads. Paste one or more websites. Set the number of ads to extract by dragging the pin. Select how you'd like the bot to notify you when the job is done. Available options include email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, and Zapier. Click the green button to launch the bot into action. Now you can see the bot running. Once the bot is finished, you'll see the blue completed sign. To download the extracted results as an Excel, CSV, or JSON file, click on the desired icon. To view the extracted results online, click on View Data. Let's view the results online. We've got a well-organized spreadsheet with shoe store ads, including ad titles, bodies, keywords, and dates when they were published. View the full example file from this video on the bot page. Create a free account on Botster and get access to the domain Google Ads History Extractor and dozens of other powerful bots. If you found this video to be useful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons to catch our future content on automation. See you in the next video.